none of us want to be around
Yeah,
that.
so how do you become the version of yourself that is desirable?
Because you become the version of yourself that you yourself desire first.
Absolutely. And you can't do this only in public settings and, with people. You have to do that by yourself. And, bro, it takes so much work. It's not even funny. I know you, like, I'll tell you what, I thought that maybe I am doing something which is oh so crazy. But then I see you and, like, how you chase after your spiritual side, right? You relentlessly go after courses, after things. You meet people, you read books, you have conversations, you travel across the country to do this in your own time. I'm pretty sure not even 5% of your friends know how advanced you are in meditation and the kind of powers you've developed in life. I'm not even kidding.
I think, Bhavna, to be honest, I think you're the only person who actually I have opened up and had that conversation. And otherwise, I will just brush up on the surface, leave it there. And that has been because it's a two-way process also. Because I know that you understand. Otherwise, people think, what bullshit are you talking about? And what nonsense is this woman trying to say? And why do I want to give them that journey? I mean, I'm happy with my own journey. I'm living my life. I'm very glad. I'm very
Absolutely.
satisfied. Why should I go through that?
एंड मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ कि मुझे तेरे फेस पे वो तेज दिखता है जो मेडिटेशन से आता है.
Okay, thank you so much. And
Yeah.
skincare routine. True that.
Yeah, but there is a level of calm even in the chaos that you maintain, because I have seen your life. This house where we're sitting right now, we're on the 5th and a half floor. Okay, and if you step out of this room, you will realize it's like a house in itself, and there are like 4 more versions of these below. Okay. And this is a mahal, literally. Okay. And then there's the schools.
Right
and
in
your,
front, right
and your
beside.
pets and your help. Oh my God. You have a full ecosystem running here, which is half the time in chaos because of so many things.
And I'm just, okay, wait.
She's just managing through. And I'm like, if I were in her situation, I'm pretty sure I would not have managed. This is not my cup of tea. The amount of chaos she goes through from day and night, clearly it has benefits, like whatever you're doing for yourself. And then obviously I've seen you, the way you chase after your travels. Like she has relentlessly traveled. She's traveled with people, if not with people, alone. If not with her father. But she does not give up on her passions. And she has done that for herself. And traveling really changes you.
It opens up your perspective, because one more thing which happens, I think, Bhavna, we've traveled together also, separately also. One, it gets us out of our comfort zone. Number two, if you're traveling solo, it gives you so much time to think about your own self, what you're doing in your life, where your journey is, where you're heading, what are you chasing. Okay. And thirdly, when you are in not that comfortable situation, you explore and experience. And sometimes you bring those elements with you and try to have those elements around you.
Yeah.
And I think you can see this, the entire house, if you go through it.
Yeah.
It's like you're like, oh, this is something, like what have they tried to do?
Yeah, she has little trinkets from across the world. Like, damn girl, like this house is gonna be a museum one day.
I feel so too.
It already is, but now of people, but clearly with time it'll also be with ornaments. More ornaments.